Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a project and turning on billing so resources can run. Once done, install Cloud SDK and run gcloud auth login, then set your project ID with gcloud config set project. Next, decide App Engine for simple apps, Cloud Run for containers, or Compute Engine for VMs. Pick the path that matches your app complexity and expected traffic. Make sure to choose a nearby region to reduce latency and estimate monthly costs. This prevents surprises when you deploy. Now prepare the app artifacts and configuration so Google Cloud can serve your site. If using App Engine, add an app. YAML, for Cloud Run, create a Docker file and test locally. Then run gcloud build submit to push an image, or gcloud app deploy to publish. Once deployed, assign IAM roles. Grant the right service accounts deploy and invoke permissions so automatic builds and traffic routing work. Make sure to configure VPC connectors if your service needs private resources, and enable auto-scaling settings for expected load. Finalize by connecting your domain and enabling HTTPS to make the site public and secure. First, add DNS records at your registrar pointing to the load balancer or Cloud Run assigned endpoint, then enable Google Managed SSL or upload your certificate and confirm automatic renewals. After traffic flows, set up monitoring and alerts in Cloud Monitoring and Review Logs Explorer for errors. If something breaks, check service IAM, billing status, and recent deployment logs. Those 3 areas resolve most hosting issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.